Randy. I'm not sure you can see down in here, but here's the front end of the belt, and then here's the drive gear right in here, and the belt just simply slips over this drive gear right in the front here. If I can do it real quick, it just slips over just like that. And then you, if you can see the rear tail boom is sticking out a little bit here, and you just pull it back, and come on, you just pull it back and it tightens the belt up. That's a little too tight, but for illustration purposes that should show you what the business end looks like right in there. Okay? Cool.